All right guys, so I've got something pretty special inside of this box. I've actually got an exclusive first look for all of you of the brand new generation iPhone SE. This is actually the third generation iPhone SE, and I've got it right here to unbox it for all of you. All right, so let's go ahead and pull it off right here, which by the way, if you guys are new to the channel, I honestly do not know why you're not subscribed, because what other tech channel does this on YouTube? All right, this is the first time that I actually see the box, and here it is. Here is the box for the brand new generation iPhone SE, also known as the iPhone SE 3. I've got it in black. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this wallpaper. I think it's a little bit meh, but what's inside of this phone is actually really exciting. So I'm super actually excited to check it out. I actually love the iPhone SE. It's for those people, for those type of people that don't really, let's recycle. It's for those type of people who don't upgrade their iPhone every single year. They just want an iPhone that lasts. The iPhone SE brings the new A15 Bionic chip, which if you don't know, that's the same chip as my super expensive iPhone 13 Pro. So the cheapest iPhone now has the most and the best chip. And here it is. Very, very familiar design. We're gonna go ahead and check it out in just a second. What do we get in the box? Well, do we get the Apple stickers this year? Yes, we do. We get the Apple stickers, we get the pen ejector tool, and we obviously as well get the USB-C to Lightning cable. The only thing that I wanted from this iPhone, the previous generation iPhone SE was great, but one thing that it didn't have was a good battery life. And with this year's iPhone SE, we get 2 more hours of battery life. So anyways, let's go. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. I don't know if you guys can see this. There's actually the power icon, volume icons, and the actual screen protector, and we get Touch ID over here. This is actually the first time that Apple has done it with their packaging. This is actually pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and peel it off. Very, very satisfying, and I think it also pulls in the back. Yes, yes, yes. So here's the thing with the design. The design is exactly the same as the previous generation iPhone SE, same design as iPhone 8, iPhone 7, iPhone 6. And for me, I really wish Apple would have changed the design. I'm okay with Apple adopting a design from the iPhone SE, like from an iPhone 6, from an iPhone 7, from an iPhone 8. But I hate that Apple is adopting the same design as a previous generation iPhone SE. It would have been awesome to have an iPhone XR design fits into an iPhone SE. Apple also shipped me out their silicone case. This is actually product red, so if you guys want to go ahead and pick up a case and you don't really know the color, pick up the product red because it actually helped donating with AIDS. So here we go. This is the iPhone case in red. And this is the way that it looks. Very, very slim profile. One of the things that I like about the iPhone SE design is that it's such a thin device that when you do put a case on, it doesn't feel bulky. I mean, if I put a case on my iPhone 13 Pro, it's already pretty thick, and then you put a case on and it's already thicker. So this feels like good. This feels good to hold on the hand. All right, give me 10 minutes. Let me go ahead and set up the phone because I want to show you what the camera actually does. Actually, it will just be like 5 seconds for you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, so I've set up the iPhone SE, and the first thing that I want to show you is the wallpapers. There's a couple new wallpapers. There's actually 3. There's a more bluish, a more reddish, and a more greenish. They look great. They are exclusive to the iPhone SE. All right, so I wanted to show you the camera. I mean, we're in this beautiful field of flowers right now. The power of the A15 Bionic brings a couple new features to the most budget iPhone ever, right? So if we open up the camera, we get photographic styles. There's a couple of styles to choose from: standard, rich contrast, vibrant, warm, cool. Samsung, for example, uses a more vibrant look, so let's go ahead and actually use vibrant. And as you guys can see, the camera is actually way much more vibrant. All right, so that's my first impressions and my unboxing of the iPhone SE. Go ahead and tap this right here to watch my full review where I dive into every single aspect and who this iPhone SE is for. Thank you for watching. Be happy because life is good, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Porque llegó a mi vida el amor de mi vida, yo se lo pedí a